Hello, some of you have had problems figuring out how to get started. So, um, let's get started, shall we? So here you have your announcements page, which you should have gotten an email. And this document here uh, shares the steps to take in order to get signed up with MyMathLab. So you follow those steps, making sure to use the course ID number, and then you'll be getting started with the course. Now, once other things that you can find in Blackboard, and then I'll go to MyMathLab. But here we have a syllabus right up under announcements. It's a little link on the left. It tells you that my office hours are from 12 to 12:30. Then down here it has some great information. Required materials is MyMathLab with the course ID. It tells you, hey, you can use a calculator. And then this is the stuff that I've been asked about. It says attendance for this course will be based on meeting virtually on Mondays, 11 a.m. to 12 p.m., and logging into MyMathLab Monday through Thursday to complete assignments. Okay, a student missing a cumulative 15% of the class meetings and not keeping up with the course assignments may be dropped. So if you haven't already logged in to MyMathLab, you're already accumulating absences. You need to make sure you get on and get to work. Okay, so your first set of assignments is not due until next week. If you don't get them turned in by next week, it says any late work submitted after the posted deadline will result in 1% deduction per day. Each day your assignments are late, you'll get points deducted. Work will not be accepted more than 1 week after the deadline. After our time together is only 4 weeks long, so you got to get your work done. Okay, so your grade, to calculate your grade is made up 80% test grades, 20% final. That's your grade. Okay, so for your test, there will be 4 tests. Test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4 over the homework. Test 1, so over homework 1, test 2, homework set of 2. Okay, so that's 4 of the tests. You have 2 other test grades. One test grade will come from your review average. So with each test comes an average. You have to do those 4 reviews. The average of those 4 reviews will count as a test grade. The homework average will count as another test grade. I'm going to average up all the homework and that'll count as a grade. Your lowest test grade will be dropped. It's in your best interest, I think, to make sure you do the homework in order to prepare for your reviews and your tests. And then also with your homework, you can do and redo them multiple times in order to get a good grade on them. With tests, you only get one chance to do your test. So I think your homework is a very, 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 very good idea to do those. Okay. Now, if we go down a little further, go down a little further, it gives you the dates of your test. June 10th, June 17th, June 24th, June 27th, July 2nd, and then also tells you the last day to drop. Okay, and here is a little schedule that tells you about your things, and then it's about tutoring. So that's your syllabus. If you need to review your syllabus again, you just have to click on this tab, syllabus, and you can see them. When you go down to lessons, your lessons have additional videos outside of the ones in MyMathLab that are there to assist you with your homework assignments. You can click on it, and I have mashup math videos that are there that can help you learn how to factor by completing the square or just factoring in general. And then I go into the videos for the lectures. Those are also available to you. Now let's go into MyMathLab. Let's see if I can get MyMathLab pulled up.